What is an examination, sir? What is an examination? An examination is a promise between the examining authority and the student. The student promises discipline and honesty. The examination authority promises fairness. A cancelled examination, a leaked examination is not just an administrative failure, sir. It is a personal betrayal. And because of this personal betrayal, 21 children have lost their lives. One young girl left a note, sir. One young girl left a note. Sorry, mama. Sorry, papa. Sorry, mummy. Sorry, papa. I don't have the courage to take another retest. A child has gone because of the failure of this government. And the Prime Minister has said not one word about these children. एक शब्द नहीं निकला है प्रधानमंत्री के मुंह से. न सहानुभूति, न अफसोस, न हमदर्दी. एक शब्द नहीं निकला है, sir. He's so busy with his Man Ki Baat. The 2024 Act, which is bill amends, is no solution. All this bill does is increase punishment, sir. There is no examination reform here. When governance fails, there is only one recourse for the citizen, the right to peaceful protest. And how is that peaceful protest met by this government? Lathis, tear gas, pellet guns. In Bihar, an AK-47 assault rifle was fired on students, on peaceful, unarmed students. Delhi police case diaries show that the Rapid Action Force in firing pellet guns acted on the instructions of a DCP. The DCP reports to the Home Ministry. Can the Home Minister evade accountability? Can the Home Minister evade responsibility? He cannot. This is the Gujarat model. Section 144 renewed every 6 months. This is what happens in Gujarat. I demand that the Home Minister come to this house, make a statement, answer the students, apologize to the students. If he cannot do so, the Home Minister must resign, sir. He must resign. Sir, they have a playbook on protest. They don't know how to handle protest. Every time there is a protest, they label them. Kisan Andolan, Andolan GV. Anti-CA, anti-national. Student protest, urban Naxal. Women wrestlers, they drag them off the street. Then they order the Godi media to label them. Tukre Tukre gang, toolkit gang, foreign gang. This is what they say. And once a protest has been morally disqualified, then they pretend that there is no grievance. The Prime Minister has events. Pariksha Pe Charcha. He's writing a book, Examination Warriors. A Prime Minister who has never taken a competitive examination in his life has written a book, Examination Warriors. This is laughable, sir. It would be comic.
No comment
it would
on PM
not tragic.